Employee retention for food manufacturing. The food manufacturing industry is complex and demanding and requires skilled and dedicated employees. However, like many industries, employee retention can be a significant challenge for food manufacturers. I have personally left jobs because the company couldn't meet my career expectations. I continuously hear about a few companies without key employees in important departments, and the position continues to be not filled. We can do many things to keep talent in the food industry. That's why I like to talk about employee retention. There are several obstacles that food manufacturers face when it comes to retaining employees, including: Number 1. Demanding nature. First, the demanding and repetitive nature of the work can be physically and mentally exhausting for employees, leading to burnout and a desire to quit. This can be especially challenging for employees who work long hours or night shifts. Number 2. Resources to be successful. Second, the nature of the food manufacturing industry means that employees must adhere to strict quality and safety standards, and it is important to keep food safe. However, the employees may not be given the training, support, tools and resources that they need to complete the tasks. This can be stressful and overwhelming for some employees, leading to job dissatisfaction. Number 3. Lack of career growth opportunities. Third, the lack of opportunities for career growth and development can be discouraging for employees who may feel stuck in their current position with no room for advancement. For example, some companies don't have a formal training program to help their employees grow and learn. I paid for most of my training courses when I work as an employee. Don't get me wrong. Some folks want to stay put in their positions. Having and extending the opportunities became important before even considering hiring externally. This shows that you trust your staff and want them to grow. Number 5. Wages. Finally, the relatively low wages and limited benefits in the food manufacturing industry can make it difficult for employees to meet ends. Don't lose your employee over a small increment to your neighbor just because they offer more. Offering a competitive salary is important. Overcoming these obstacles requires a concerted effort from food manufacturers. This may involve offering additional training and career development opportunities, implementing flexible schedules or telecommuting options, and offering competitive wages and benefits. By addressing these challenges and investing in their employees, you can create a more positive and supportive work environment, leading to increased employee satisfaction and employee retention. Look for the next videos on how we can address employee retention through food safety culture and management. This video is presented to you by SFPM Consulting. We build food safety training program for employee satisfaction and work directly with your team to make food safety simpler and easier to manage.